video. Today I'll be giving my thoughts on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are designed to fit snug and comfortably in your ears to reduce ear canal pressure. So normally I wouldn't go for these type of earbuds due to my small ears, but they are pretty light in weight at just 5.5 grams and they fit really well. The case, or as Samsung refer to it as the cradle, is nice and compact design, weighing at 43.4 grams, and the earbuds are IPX7 water resistant and support Bluetooth version 5.3. The Buds 2 Pro have some really good features such as 24-bit hi-fi sound, which provides clear audio, and I have to say the audio quality sounds really good. Samsung state that active noise cancellation has been improved due to a free signal to noise ratio microphones which track and eliminate more outside sounds to provide a softer sound. Another big feature is 360 audio, which can pinpoint the direction of the sounds as you move your head. Samsung have made pairing the earbuds to a Samsung Galaxy device super easy. You just open up the case, which a pop-up will appear, and you just click connect. You will get a few pop-ups from the earbuds manager asking about permissions to send notifications. Accessing the wearable app on the Samsung Galaxy device gives access to managing features such as the equalizer, touch control settings, in-ear detection, find my earbuds, 360 audio, and activating or deactivating active noise cancelling. Here you can even test your earbuds to make sure you're getting the best sound. The Buds 2 Pro have 5 hours of continuous play with active noise cancellation, 8 hours with active noise cancellation off, up to 14 hours of talk time, and up to 18 hours in the case. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, the design of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is not what I would normally go for, but ended up really liking them. They are light and feel really comfortable in my ears. The audio sounds crisp and clear. I found the 360 audio feature really good. Initially I thought it may be a little bit of a gimmick, but it works, and it works really well. With active noise cancelling, I tend to have it switched off unless I'm travelling on the underground, which I found really useful. The pairing process is super simple, and I like the way the Buds 2 Pro moves connection to a Galaxy phone, tablet or watch, and it can even switch to a TV if you have a Samsung TV. I found the battery life to be more than adequate based on my personal usage, which easily got me through the day. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro retail for £219 in the UK on Samsung's website if you are considering picking these up. So overall, these are really good wireless earbuds, especially if you're looking for some earbuds within the Samsung ecosystem. So that is the video, guys. If you made it all to the end, thank you. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, why not hit that subscribe button? Feel free to leave any comments down below. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you all in the next video.